Folks, welcome to this video, guys. So guys, if you haven't watched my video for a long time, because sometimes I don't want to talk about these things so much because I've talked about them, but at the end of the day, guys, if you invest and you follow the channel, I wanted to say that today it is on November 15th, and the reason of this video is to tell you that and this is 2024. During 2022, 2023, 2024, I talked a lot about buying these crypto coins, like for example Doge, which it had dropped to 0.06, and then we had like Jasmine coin, my favorite coin, guys. I'm still buying it. It dropped to 0.0035531 sometime, and then Bitcoin dropped to $16,000. And then we had many coins there that I used to talk about you buy. Guys, these coins, they are now going up like crazy. So if you can have a chance of buying this coin, like for example now, guys, Bitcoin is $90,000. And when I was saying let's buy, it was 16,000, 17,000, 20,000, 23,000. So, but now it is $90,000, and these one have been 3 years. And also stocks that I had talked about buying, MicroStrategy, all these stocks are Tesla. I talk about it every time. All these stocks I talk about. Carvana. In fact, Carvana went crazy, like to a certain, it just went and it was up. So guys, while I talk about these things and about this stock, you also need to understand that there is also a possibility of losing money. For example, I talked about big lots, and the reason why I was buying big lots is because I understood it was a retail and there was continuity of the store, but the store and its business plan did not go well, and big lots, it went out of business, bankruptcy, and then now like nobody was willing to buy big lots out, so it was on bankruptcy and I lost money there. And then people who had invested in big lots lost money. But the reason why I bought big lots, it was because I wanted to capture on dividends. But something I learned about that was, do not put all your money in one coin and believe that you will get money. Do not put all your money in one stock and believe that you will get money now. Even if you have $100 and you want like at least to buy, try to put 50% and separate 50% to other coins. Just talking about that, guys, if you follow my channel, I wanted to say that you understand I've been vocal about buying Terra Luna, and I also have been vocal about buying like I talked about Doge. It will be like my dividend stock, and then internet computer will be like my kind of ETFs in stocks. But at the end of the day, guys, we buy these coins to make money. So for example, if you put 1,000 there and you see you have 200,000 from a coin, it is a good idea you sell and you keep your $200,000 fast as you wait for another thing to happen, and as you wait where to put this money, because some people don't know how to sell. They hold it, it goes down, and then they lose money. Like for example now, Dogecoin is going up, and I tell you, April, before that Doge day, you need to make sure if tomorrow is Doge day, you sell 2 days before Doge day, so that you get that money, you get out of it, and you forget about that bull run, because it will take another 4 years to have a bull run. So, but these videos I talk now, you can buy these things. Just know that you won't get more money at the people who got in early like me. Like for example, now I'm on green Satoshi a lot. I know Jasmine has done nothing, but yes, I have made money, but it has done nothing. So it want to move up like crazy, and those are when you get more gains. Like something like Terra Luna, the ones that I talk about, guys, because there are a lot of scammers out there of coins there. So if you buy, you have to know which coin are you buying and which chain are you using. All these things, if you need to study on yourself and know. But all I'm saying is, this is the best time to gain more money in cryptocurrency. because this is 2024, November 15 going to December, and then we start 2025. I tell you guys, I used to tell people when I was to make this video, I think 2021, 2022, 2023, that this is the right time to buy and we will get more money. So this is the right time to buy. And guys, as you do that, you also focus also on the stocks that do crypto, like for example Mara holding, that the one that invest in crypto, and you see other I stocks that also focuses on crypto. And if you have any question, guys, type down there. I can answer. Like if you have a specific question to know, I can make a video and tell you exactly, because there are also some coins that you will find, like a company like Nvidia, a company like Apple, a company like Amazon want to use in the payment, and then this coin goes up. Like for example Dogecoin, guys, if you can buy now, it is now maybe below 50 cents, but it can get to 50 cents very fast now. So if you can buy it, I tell you, you can at least target that by before Doge Day, Dogecoin can go even to $5, and that is when you get money. Shiba Inu, guys, you can also buy Shiba Inu. I know it is 4 zeros now, but you can, that thing can just maybe go to 2 zeros like a joke. Like it can just reduce all those, that thing goes up like crazy. And then something like Terra Luna I talk about, it is 4 zeros, but it can reduce that thing to even like 1 zero. And that is money, guys. That is money running on market. If you knew what I was talking about, or if you have no idea, guys, comment down there. I will be open to answer any question. But for now, guys, I want to cut this video. And I know nowadays you don't hear me talking about buying, because I know this is the time that they are going up and we are just feeling good, the one that we bought earlier. So if you have a question, guys, let's talk down in the comment. And if you have any comment too, or your thoughts, let me see them down there. We will talk more, and have a nice day.